Okay, 4 exercise for your lower face every day. Put your cream on, and now we're gonna work on the start with the neck muscle first. So we're gonna hold the skin under clavicle, massage your neck muscle. Five to 10 times each side, the other side. Another exercise for this area, just stretching the neck, so hold skin and stretch to the side. You want to feel nice stretch on the side of the neck. Hold 5-7 seconds. The other side. Nice stretch here. That is my. Now the middle. We're gonna do yawning with our jaw move like projected forward. So I'm gonna hold your face here, skin, and it's a little bit, but it works wonders. Okay, now with your thumbs, do this with your fist. Put your jawline in between the thumbs and the pointing finger. Medium to deep pressure on the down mandible. Both sides at the same time, relieving tension here and muscle attachments in this area. A lot of tension here. Platysma also attaches here. And now L. Opening of the face to the side and gentle pressure down. So open the cheeks and down. Open the cheeks and down. 5-10 times each exercise. Morning and night for the smoother jawline.